Om Sri Sai Ram. Thought for the day.
Love and adore you.
Temples are centers of discipline where aspirants are guided step by step to attain a vision of truth. There are schools for training of the spirit, academies for promotion of scriptural studies, institutes of super science, and laboratories for testing the values of life.
Then I remember how much you love me, and living is easy.
There are hospitals for treatment of cure, not only of the birth-death disease, which has persisted for ages, but even the much more patent mental disorder that trouble those who do not know the secret of acquiring peace.
Recalling your grace, deep in my heart, Lord, I will be.
Temples are gymnasia, where people are reconditioned and their hesitant faith, waning conviction, and the upsurging egotism is cured.
Love is the answer, love is the reason, and love is the way.
The purpose of temple is to awaken the divinity in humanity. Madhavatwa in manavatwa included people to believe that the physical frame in which they live are themselves house of God. Dharma Vahini, chapter 10, Baba.